Hey guys, welcome back. So today we'll be finding the perimeter of complex shapes. So remember, when you are finding the perimeter, we are going to add all of our sides together. So first we're going to add my A here. So we have A plus 2A minus B over 2 plus B plus another B and another B. So we have 3B's here plus my 2A minus B over 2. And then we have plus A, and then we have plus 2A. Now we're going to combine like terms. So we have A here, and then I have another A here, and I have another A here. So we have A plus 2A, that's going to equal 4A. And then we have plus 2A minus B over 2 plus B plus B plus B, and then plus my 2A minus B over 2 again. Now we're going to combine our B's here. So we have 4A plus 2A minus B over 2 plus 3B plus 2A minus B over 2 again. We have 4A. So here my 2's are going to cancel out. So you're going to get A minus B, and your B here is going to be over 2, and then plus 3B. And the same here, my 2's, your 2's here are going to cancel out. So you'll be left with A minus B, and that B is going to be over 2. So it's going to be plus A minus B, and that's going to be over 2 as well. And by looking at this step here, notice that you do have 4A plus A here, and you also have another A here. So 4 plus 1, that's 5. 5 plus 1, that's going to be 6. So far, you do have 6A here. And then notice here that your denominators are the same. So if your denominators are the same, which is 2, that means that I can combine my numerator. So negative B minus B, this is going to turn into negative 2B over 2. And then we're going to go ahead and add the last 3B here. Now, in this step here, notice here your 2's are going to cancel out. So you'll be left with 6A minus B, because my 2's cancel out, plus 3B. And now we're going to combine like terms. And when you combine like terms, you'll be left with 6A plus 2B, and this is your final answer. So the perimeter here for this complex shape here is going to be 6A plus 2B. Another way that you could have solved this problem, so let's say when you were here at this step right here, you could just go ahead and combine your like terms from here. Because your denominators are the same here, you can go ahead and combine your numerator. So here you can get 4A, and then you're going to get 2A minus B plus 2A minus B. That's going to be 4A minus 2B over 2. All I did is combined my numerator from here and here because my denominators are the same. And then here you're going to get 3B. And if you continue solving this way, you're going to get 4A. And then here 2 goes into 4 2 times. And then 2 goes into 2 1 time. That gives me 2A minus 1B. And then from here, you combine like terms, 4A plus 2A, this is going to be 6A. And then negative 1B plus 3B, this is going to be a positive 2B. So you can go this way, which is much shorter, or you can take the long way, which is also going to give you the same answer as well. Let's look at this example here. If we need to add all the sides, so we have 3x plus 2x plus 3x minus y plus y plus another y. So we have 2 y's here. And then we have plus 2x minus y. Now we're going to combine like terms. 3x plus 2x plus 3x plus another 2x. This is going to equal 10x. So I'm going to write 10x here. And then you have negative y plus negative y. This is going to equal negative 2y. And then plus y plus y. This is going to equal a positive 2y. And from this step here, notice that your 2y's are going to cancel out. So you have a negative 2y here and a positive 2y here. That's going to cancel out. So that means your final answer here is just going to be 10x. Let's look at this example. 3c plus 2c, and then plus 3c minus d over 3, plus 3d's here, plus 6c minus 2d over 3, and then plus 2c. Now we're going to combine like terms. So we have 3c plus 2c, that's 5c. And then we have 5c plus another 2c, that is going to be 7c. And then we have 3d's here plus 3d. And then notice here that your expressions here have the same denominator. If your denominators are the same, then you can go ahead and combine your numerators. So 3c plus 6c, this is going to be 9c, minus negative 1 minus 2, that's going to be a negative 3d, and all of that is going to be over 3. Remember, your denominators are the same, so yes, you can combine your numerators. So we have 7c plus 3d here, plus 3 goes into 9, it goes in 3 times, so this is going to be 3c, and 3 goes into 3 one time, so this is going to be negative 1d. Now I'm going to continue combining like terms. So you have 7c plus 3c, this is going to be 10c, and then you have 3d minus 1d, this is going to be a positive 2d. So your final answer here is 10c plus 2d. If you needed to find the perimeter of this shape here, remember we're going to add all of our sides. So we have 18.5, and then we have 11, and you can put your imaginary 0 here if you want for 11.0. And then you have 15.5, and then you have 4.5, and then you have 3. And if you want to put your imaginary 0 here to keep everything lined up, you can. And then you have 6.5. Now we're going to add everything together. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm going to bring down the 0 and I'm going to carry the 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 5 is going to be 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 plus 6 is going to be 29. I'm going to bring down the 9 and carry the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1, and this is going to equal 5. Now don't forget, when you are adding decimals, your decimals do need to be lined up. So my decimal point is right here. So your final answer here, if you were to find the perimeter here, is just going to be 59 feet. Let's look at this example here. So we're going to add all of our signs. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 B's. I'm going to go ahead and just put my 8 B's here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 expressions here. So we have plus 4 times my A minus 2B. And the reason why is because we do have 4 of the same expression here. So now we have 8B plus, I'm going to distribute this 4 inside the parentheses. So plus 4 times A, this is going to be 4A, and then 4 times negative 2B is going to be negative 8B. And now we're going to combine like terms. And by looking at this example here, notice that your 8 B's are going to cancel out. You have a positive and a negative, and those are going to cancel out. So your final answer here is just going to be 4A. And of course, if you do want to take the long way, just note that you will be writing everything out. If I added all of my B's together, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to go ahead and write my 8B here. And we got rid of those. And then now we're going to combine our 2B here negative 2b here, our 2b, and our 2b. So let's go ahead and combine those. So you have negative 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Negative 2 minus 2, this is going to be negative 4. Negative 4 minus 2 minus 2. This is going to be here negative 6. And then negative 6 minus 2, this is going to equal negative 8. So when you combine your negative 2b's together, you're going to get negative 8b as your answer. And then now we're going to combine the remaining variables. So we have a here, we have another a, and another a. So I am left with 4 a's. So now I'm going to add 4a here because we got our 2b's, those are good. And then we have a's left, which is here. Now we're going to combine like terms, and notice here that your 8b's are going to cancel out. And yes, again, you will be left with 4a as your final answer. So if you take the long way, you can go this way, or you can go this way, but you will still get the same answer. All right, so that is all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.